All right, here we are on Wednesday, 4/1, and we close right at the 50. So let's draw our 50 channel as we wait for our trade window to open. So right away, I see that price is already pushing up high in the V-band here after a low. So this is the closing low from yesterday. All right, Asia is open and ooh, big move already in Asia. So when we saw this riding high early on in the session, this looks like this was the trap move above the 50 and that we are getting our move right now. Prime window is open. Price has already moved quite a bit today. So from the high to the prime window, we're already at 71 pips. So right away, this would be a no trade day according to 3x30 rules because we are looking for anywhere from 10 to 30 pips. In this case, the 10 to 30 pips pullback happened here at 18 pips. This was the trap move for this move going down. Since it has already moved 70 pips, that is the move for the day. So it did happen early in Asia. So now that I know, I'm either going to be looking for a continuation or a reversal. Now we do have our pop out low, and then price was going up in TDI and down in reality. So this tells me this is divergent, and that tells me that there is a reversal opportunity. So I want to see that it rejects a low and stays within the band. So if you come down to TDI here, you can see there was a pop out low, divergence, and then it stayed within the band and gave us a W here. So this is not a beginner trade. This is a reversal trade. The hard thing about reversals is that you got to make sure that they are completely done blowing off. See, there's another blow off there. You take the reversal. So for those learning reversals, there is a little channel here. This is actually the start of the next one. So you can count 1, 2, 3 to the low after the closing channel. Now this is specific only to reversals, okay? This is not a normal 3x30 trade. So 1, 2, 3 to the low. There's your green red cross W at the 70. This is where you would take your long position. 300 pip profit, 15 pip stop loss, and let's see how this one plays out. You have a nice expansion pop out here, and it stays above this gold line in TDI, and we're just waiting for it to break over that 50. So this one would have been quite early, but it should still hold, and this is why we keep a 15 pip stop loss, by the way. Because I don't like to be up all night. I mean, this is 1 o'clock in the morning my time. I do not want to stay up and wait for this entry. I'd rather just make a bigger stop loss and get my sleep. Okay, so this is signaling shorts to everybody. This is all trapping, getting people to second guess their entry and to go in short. But you see, we have already reclaimed the 50 here. There we go. You would have hit profit on a big candle all the way through. If you stayed in this one, you would have waited through all of this. Time would have gotten you. You could have second guessed yourself, but it sure did pay off. As soon as it came over the 50, did stay under the opening channel, got this nice W at the 50, but it did come and you were in profit. So if you read this one, good job. This would have been a very difficult one. Reversals are not easy, and patience pays off on them. There you are, your most perfect entry for Wednesday. Take a picture and add it to your trade log. And we'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading.